There, my name is Dylan Richardson, co-founder of WeConnect.chat, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the live assistant, live chat, video chat component into your chat interface or into your chatbot. So I'm going to select the test version I built here, and then I'm going to go to the builder. This is not, I didn't add any components yet. I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So how you can set up the components, go through the steps there, and I'm also going to show you from the agent side, the agent dashboard side, which you can access by clicking here. I'm going to show you how to manage the video chat, live chat. So let's just walk you through all the steps. So for just to start, I'm going to do a email component. So just because I have something I want to show you regarding an offline form. So let me just create that component here. And then I'm going to go for the live chat video chat. So the live chat video chat component, maybe I went too fast. Let me just go again. Add new component. And then you can also select it here. And then you can select the live chat human takeover, which consists of live video and chat. So when I select that one here, you have 3 steps and a few sub steps you need to go through. The first step is selecting if you want to have live chat, which is live messaging, or video chat, which is the video integration we have within our product where you can have a video chat. So you can also select both options. For now, we're going to select both options. You can also select an image for the chat or an icon for the chat, like something like this. For now, we're not going to do that. We'll just go for the chips. Then normally it would also preview here. So I think there's some bug that we need to look into. It will preview when I save it for sure, but normally it would also already preview here. So then the next step is going to the step 2, the live assistant. So we have a welcome message here where you can say, which actually is the first message that the user sees after they selected the live chat or the video chat. So that is, in this case, great. Please let me connect you to one of our agents. Then we have the offline message, which is the message for when the user is, when the agent is not available or no agents are available. So then you can say at the moment we're not available for a live conversation, but you can adjust it to your own text or language. Then we have the human takeover message. So that means in this scenario, the user selected live chat, video chat in the component and they get the welcome message. But with the human takeover, the agent will select that they want to take over the chat. So it's initiated from the agent to take over the chat, and then it will say agent will take over the conversation, or the name of the agent will take over the conversation. Then we have the video chat message. So here it says start video chat. So this is the message. So when someone selects video call or video chat, then the next step will be that the agent can accept it. Once the agent accepts the video chat, then both can start the video chat. They're not started automatically, so you can at any time start the video chat when you want. And then we have assigned to you. So this is when an agent gets assigned, it will show the agent is assigned to you. So then we do next. The next step is you can add new users. I'm not going to do that now, I just did it, but that requires that the user also accepts the email invite. We're not going to go through that now. So I'm going to select my email, and I'm going to, actually I already selected it here. I'm going to select the test version, and then, but normally when you add a new user, you can just add everything here. You have, you can select the maximum amount of chats that they have simultaneously. These are live chats, so these are not video chats, but these are live messaging chats. At the moment we have 6. We're going to increase that to unlimited because we don't want to have a cap on that. And we also have here the role. If you're an admin, it's actually very simple. You have access to the entire product. If you're an agent, you only have access to the agent dashboard, which I'll show you in a second how that looks. So then, yeah, I can update, and then I can go to the next step. And the last step is creating an offline form. So if you turn this one on, this is the form that we will show when an agent is not available. So you'll have an offline form. You can add certain categories, like a phone number as well. Now we have the name, email, and message. So then I'm going to submit, and you can also adjust the naming here. The reason that I wanted to show you the email component is that we also, when someone enters their email earlier in the chat, we're going to make sure that the email is also available here right away, so that they don't need to enter the email twice. So now I'm going to finish. Then how would you like to connect to? I'm going to say to us, like this. And then I can also add a skip button or a back button, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to save it. And there we go. So we have now these two components selected. We can see it in the flow chart how that works. So it's very basic now. Email selection, we move to the live chat, video chat. You can, as you know, you can also add multiple choice, and that way you can segment the or you can make sure that you qualify a visitor first before you move them to a live chat or a video chat. You can do that by using the logical jump on the buttons. Let me think, what is next? Yeah, so basically we have this now set up. Yeah, this is not the most beautiful conversation flow that I've designed, but we're going to use it for now. Let me just go to a conversational landing page for now, just to show you how it works. Quick trick: if you move this to widget, you'll get the widget here. We're just going to do landing now, and we have the preview of the landing. So this is landing page, and then I'm going to also open the agent dashboard, open in a new tab, just to show you how it works. So from the agent dashboard, this is the agent dashboard. So here you'll have all your incoming chats come here, and then I'm just going to walk you through what will happen. Here you'll have your offline messages, and when you mark someone as a contact or a lead, it will go into the contact list. And then you also have all this contact information you can manually add. So let me just go into the product. I'll go into this one here. Let me see. Let's make this one a little bit smaller. Oh, that's the smallest. Okay, anyway, it doesn't really matter. Let's just go like this. Okay, so I'm going to put an email address, test@test.nl. And then I'm going to, so as you see here, I have a live, I just got a message, and in the agent dashboard, I also see now that a visitor started the chat. So when I click here, I can also see already the conversation. So if I have a long conversation, I just can track the conversation. And at any time, I can assign it to me. So that's important. At any time, I can say, okay, I'm just going to assign it to me. So even if I don't have it if they're not following the conversation flow to the live chat, I can still assign it to me. But for this case, for in this scenario, we're going to make sure that the user of the chat interface initiates the live chat or video chat. So let's do video chat. So for the video chat, I get the message, there's a video chat, same message, and then I can accept it, and it will load. And then, as I said, the message is start video chat, and from the user side, it also says start video chat. So as an agent or as a user, I'm now going to start the video chat. I can just start it now. I'm a client, so just mute myself, turn off the video, enjoy meeting. And then from the agent side, I'm also going to start the video chat. And I'm the agent, mute it, and then I'm going to start. So here you are in the agent dashboard, or in the video chat, and you can have a video call in real time. So, and we have screen sharing possibility. So, I mean, you can do bug fixes, or you can see the screen of the user actually and see how you can help them there. So that's that. Yeah, and then I can end the video chat by leaving it and then I'll get like this message. And then I can also just click it away, leave it here. You can rate the conversation with the agent. And then I think that's that. Yeah. So then here you can see that the chat also ended. It's now red, but I can still mark this person as a contact. So this email address I captured, I can mark the person as a contact, and it will be a lead here. So we need to make sure we align that everywhere in the product. And then it will be added to the context. Test.nl. And you also see the label here, lead. Then there's also other information you can add if you want here, and you can also have some notes that you maybe took during the call. You can add them here. So let's refresh the chat now. And now we're going to have the agent take over the chat. So again, let's just do build.net test.nl, fine. Again, I get the notification, new user. And then I can assign it to me by going to the conversation, and then I can assign it to me here, or assign it to me here, assign it to me. And now I took over the conversation, so the agent will take over the conversation from here. And then I can start chatting. Hi, this is the user, so then I can start chatting. Hi, and the user can say hello, and then we can have a conversation. The user can upload images, and the user can also, or the agent can also initiate a video chat from this part. So I can do start video chat, and then the user will start the video chat. And we can both, again, this is the landing page, starts video chat, like this. So we're not going to do that again, but that's possible. Let me go back to the live chat. So that's there. Shit, I now need to reopen it. Yeah. So you can, in that way, you can always take over a conversation. And lastly, the user can also initiate a live chat, and that happens like this. The agent has 30 seconds to take over the live chat. You can adjust this setting. I'll show you in a minute. And here I can now accept the live chat. And then we're also, again, chatting. Hello. And then, yeah, hello, that. So that's working like that. So that's all set up. Again, I can mark this user as a contact, and it will be in the lead list. Yeah, so first what I'll do is show you how to do the offline form, which we also built. So again, test.test.nl. And here I can select live chat, and we'll now wait for 30 seconds. In the meantime, I'll already open the settings where I can show you how to adjust the timer, this timer. You can adjust it here. So you can say how many seconds you want for the live chat and how many seconds you want for the video chat. You can do different timers. Then we have a reply template. So GM is already there, so I can show you how that works also in a moment. First offline form. So we have 3 more seconds. The agent is not there, not picking up. So what I'll get is an offline form. So as you can see, the email address got taken over here. So that one is now also taken over here, but I don't have the name, so I need to add the name, and I can also enter a message and then submit the offline form. Hi, thank you. Can you please help me with a issue or something? Okay, submit. So that's now there. It's now submitted, and I get a new offline form notification also. And then I'll just click respond, and here you can see, hi, can you help me with an issue? And then I'll reply, sure, and then send it. And from Dylan@WeConnect.chat, so my email address, it will send it to test@test.nl, which I don't have the email address from, so I won't see it. But it'll send the email address to that email, or the email to that email address. And then you can have a conversation thread here. Yeah, so that's there. Then let me just go back to this. So the agent SLA time is now standard 30 seconds. If you want to adjust it, you just select here, and you can make it 180 seconds or whatever you want to do, 60 seconds. Depends on how you want to set that up. And then you can also do video calls for 60. It's all adjustable. So we have this reply template also, which I'll show. And then, the one I just showed you, you can rate the conversation with the agent when it's finished for the video chat. And then this one is coming soon. Also important, in the settings, you can also select a ringtone for a new visitor. So that's when someone starts the chatbot, doesn't select a live chat or a video chat themselves, but just started the chatbot. You get a certain ringtone. You can select multiple. We have, and then for live chat and video chat, we can do different ringtones. So okay, this is something else. This is the offline forward message or an unread message. Then we can do also a different tone. We have different options for that. Let me turn that on. Okay, so that's all set up. Let me just save it for now. And let's show you the reply template, because this is also something that's important. You can set it up. Every agent can do it for themselves, and it will help you reply faster. So important to note, you can handle one video chat as per agent at a time. That's just to make sure that we ensure the quality, and that you can't have 10, because that's just not possible. So that's only one-on-one now. And this is actually everything you need to know about the agent dashboard. User chat here if you have any issues, and we'll help you out. Make sure you check the FAQ also, because we have FAQ in our video tutorials. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.